everyone. Today we are going to be making bookmark monsters. Now, to do this project, you're going to receive in your kit a selection of templates. They're going to be various different colors. You're going to have more than enough to make a few in any color variation that you like. Now, the first step is, of course, going to be cutting them out. So you're going to cut the teeth out individually, the eyes out, those are the dots, and then you're going to want to cut out the around this entire section. You're not going to want to cut the triangles out separately. You're going to want to keep those together, okay? But we're not going to do that on camera because you guys should be able to count. And then the pieces you'll get are, like I said, the template for the monster, the teeth, and the eyes. Now for the teeth and the eyes, you can go ahead and decorate those however you like or use whatever colors you like. I used some like red to make it like a spooky blood, and I made some like lizard eyes, and I thought those were kind of cool. You will notice that there are two sides. There's going to be this side with the cut lines on it, and then if you turn it around, those cut lines won't be there. But you do want to follow the lines correctly and keep all the triangles together because it will just be easier, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our big piece and we're going to label the triangles. So we're going to label this one A and this one B, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the triangles over so that they are flush with the square. So I'm going to fold over A, so it's folded, and then fold over B. And then you can unfold those, okay? Now, this is the fun part. We're going to fold over A and we are going to cover it in glue. Just the back of A, okay? We don't want to get glue on the square or on B right yet, so just do it on A. Get as much as you think you need because we are going to be gluing the first piece down, which is our teeth. All right, so we're gonna fold A down, and then we're just gonna put the teeth right there. You wanna overlap it a little bit so the teeth have something to be glued onto, and just like that, okay? Then we are going to take B, and we're gonna fold B over, and we're gonna glue it to the side of A, just like that. Very simple. Now you're gonna notice there's a pocket here. There's gonna be no glue in here because this would actually glue the page, right? Just on the back of A. So the final thing we're gonna do is we're gonna glue our eyes. And of course it's a monster, so you can make them as scary or as friendly as you like. You don't even have to stick to 2 eyes. You could have 1 eye, you could have 4 eyes, you could have 3 eyes, whatever you like, just like that. And then when you get a book, you can just take this, slide it into the page, and it will save your page for you. All right? Just like that, it's very easy. And then I gave you lots of colors, so you can do lots of different variations. You can add more eyes, you can have different types of teeth. You can make round teeth, you can make just one big tooth, you can make tentacles if you like. You can do anything you like. So be creative, have fun, and have a great day. Bye-bye.